Recently, I think many of you may have seen a report of this. If not, I'm going to show it here. There's a report that a lab did that showed a comparison of the competitor's frankincense oil to doTERRA's frankincense oil. And I don't know how well you can see these numbers, but their goal is to say, the competitors, let's say, will not have this knowledge if you ask these kinds of questions. And I put this under the heading, how not to promote your product. Use chemistry, you better know the chemistry before you try to use the chemistry to promote your product. Our lavender has this high level of boswellic acid. Our lavender has this high level of boswellic acid. Chemistry, you better know the chemistry before you try to use the chemistry to promote your product. Our lavender has this high level of boswellic acid. Our lavender has this high level of boswellic acid. Chemistry, you better know the chemistry before you try to use the chemistry to promote your product. Our lavender has this high level of boswellic acid. Our frankincense is better. Our frankincense is better. Our frankincense is better. Our frankincense is better. Oil analysis for boswellic acids by HPLC. Now, those slides that I showed you previously are GC and GCMS, is gas chromatography, mass spectroscopy. And we use that in essential oils because essential oils are volatile. And they are easily turned to gas, which is why we use gas chromatography. HPLC stands for high pressure liquid chromatography. No one uses HPLC to analyze an essential oil because if you have components in the product that you're analyzing that requires HPLC, it couldn't have been steam distilled. It's just a physical impossibility. HPLC is used on things that have high molecular weight that cannot be analyzed by GC because it just will not elute off the column. And we'll go over some of the technical aspects of what's involved with the GC. So at any rate, I saw that and I said, well, what, HPLC, what's going on here? And then you look at the levels of boswellic acid in this thing, and you're like, well, this can't be because, as I already said, that they're trying to use this to promote the superiority, but they don't realize that the thing that they're using to say that their frankincense oil is superior to doTERRA's is actually making doTERRA's look better, because their oil should not have boswellic acid in it. It could not be steam distilled frankincense if it has boswellic acid. Quality of the product. Now, I put this under the heading, how not to promote your product.